guys, it's Rachel. Today I am doing my first video at the University of Mississippi, and if you guys didn't know, I just transferred here this semester and I haven't done an apartment tour yet, and I thought to kick off the videos here I would do one. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my apartment that I live in at school. I have one roommate, but we have a 3-bedroom apartment, which is really nice just for extra space. And so yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the living room, the kitchen, and also my room. So without further ado, let's just get started. This is the overview when you first walk in. Sorry, it's a little dark, but we have this wreath right here, which is super cute. I think this is from Target. Then we have a sign that says blowout candles that my roommate made because we always forget to blow them out. And then I just have my purse right there. This is trash, that's disgusting, don't look at that. But over here is our kitchen. I'm not really sure where the placemats are from, but then it's like a pretty nice size. I really like it. So over here, we just have our little pantry full of snacks and everything. I am obsessed with these One Bars. If you guys have not tried them, you definitely should. And then we keep like cleaning supplies underneath here. Kind of boring, but then I actually just made this pizza for lunch. It's a gluten-free pizza, so I took it out of the oven and it's cooling right now. But we have our little utensils over here. I'm pretty sure I got that from Pier 1. And then our silverware, we just have like plates and bowls up here. Over here is where we keep all of our coffee and mugs for the Keurig, which is down here. Then we have all of our glass cups, an assortment of those, and the speaker, a candle. We actually store all of our candles up here too. I'm obsessed with candles, so I like collect them. We have a lot of them. I just love candles so much. And then we have all of our pots and pans down here. Then over to our refrigerator. This is our nice refrigerator. It's completely organized, as you guys can see. And then up here we just have our freezer. Of course, got the ice cream. Love it, love it. Then here is our little living space. I think it's so cute and it's so great for just like 2 people. We have this large couch, which actually came with the apartment. So there is some furniture in here that came with the apartment, like the couch, the TV stand, and the TV as well. So that stuff all came with the apartment. And then we got these chairs on Amazon, if you guys are wondering. I'm pretty sure that's from Amazon as well. And then this blanket I got from Sarah Luco, I think that's how you say it, but that was in my last apartment tour. And then this rug, I can't remember where my roommate got this, but I will link it down below. Then this coffee table also came with the apartment. We have our little Christmas ornaments, a little like decoration. This normally lights up, but it's out of batteries. Then this was in my last apartment, but I love this. This is the Prada sign. And then our beautiful Christmas tree. It has like little gold sparkly ornaments, pink ones, and then silver ones. I got this tree at Target. And then behind it is this picture of a zebra blowing bubble gum. And then over here we have this little stand. So down here we just keep like DVDs and stuff. And then we have a picture frame that's not filled yet, but I don't know, we're still working on this portion of it. I just put U-Log on here, so fitting, so fitting. But as I said before, this stuff came with the apartment. And then this round mirror is from Target. This is like one of my favorite mirrors. And then we have our little bar cart, and this is honestly probably my favorite part of the apartment. So we have my favorite wintertime candle on here. It's literally called Winter from Bath & Body Works. And then we just have a little jar of mints right here, some perfume. And then we have these like glasses for Moscow mules, another kind of ornament decoration, and then some sunglasses. And look at how cute these stockings are. My mom had them monogrammed for my roommate and I, so that's mine and that's hers. I think they're so adorable. I love them. My roommate and I just bought this the other day, but this is our karaoke machine. It's literally the greatest thing ever, and we've used it so much already. So excited. I love doing karaoke. Then you walk down the hallway, and this is where all of the bedrooms are. So this is our Phi Mu banner because we are both Phi Mu's at Ole Miss. And then this is my sign. It says youth has no age. So my bedroom is actually the first one on the right. I'll show you guys. Actually, I'll go into the bedroom first. So this is my bedroom. It's a really nice size, honestly, for one person. So this was my same bed from my last apartment. And then I have this blanket on here from Pottery Barn. My bedding is from Pottery Barn. And then the two pillows right there are from Target. On this side, all of these pictures, I actually ordered prints online and they were delivered to me. And then the whatever those are called, are from Target. Then over my bed, what I did was I had grids that I ordered off of Amazon, and I just put pictures of all of my friends up there, just for memories of my old school back home, all of my best friends. So then over in this little area, I have a nice window. Oh, such a great view of the storage unit, but down the street, the square is just down the street, so that's really nice. And then I have a little dresser right here. So this is a picture of my Big and I, and then that is the Phi Mu house. It's a little painting of it. Then I just have this sign that says Rebel and the Twisted Peppermint Bath & Body Works candle. In this first drawer, I have pajamas. It's really organized, guys, as you can tell. And then second drawer is just bras and underwear. Third drawer are belts and socks. So moving on to this side, I actually just hung these today. I'm really proud of myself, but I again just printed that off and had it delivered. These little shelves are from Target though. And then I have my YSL bag and a pair of sunglasses sitting on the other shelf. Then I have my big MacBook, my phone, and this chair, which is from World Market. This desk is from Target, I believe, as well. Then behind here, I just have all of my makeup because I get ready here in the morning. I like being able to sit in my chair and get ready. So I have my everyday makeup right here. And then I have my favorite makeup mirror ever, which turns on when you sit in front of it. I'll link it down below. I love this makeup mirror. And then over here, this is just like more purses, kind of random stuff. And then I have this mirrored closet. I like how it's mirrored because it like really opens the room up. So it's actually sliding doors, and I have it organized where I have shoes up there, jeans and pants all back here, coats, and then like dresses over here. Then down a little bit, I just have more shoes. This is packed full. I'm also using the other closet in the third bedroom, like half of it, because my clothes can't all fit. So this is just more summery stuff, and then long sleeves, more shoes, and I actually have a dresser under here which has skirts and just more clothes in it. So yeah, that is my room. Now moving into my bathroom. It makes a really loud noise when you go in here. I don't know why the fan is so loud. There's like not a switch that you can turn it off. But over here I just have my everyday jewelry and some soap. This is my favorite. It's like beauty oil by Houseway. And then my Neutrogena cleanser. In here I just have products that I use every single day. This is all like extra makeup that I have. And then underneath here I keep essentials like hair products, self-tanner, everything like that. And then I have my laundry right there. I got this little thing from Walmart, and I just have my towels up here, all of my lip products because I use those all the time, and more products. And then all of my hair care stuff is like my hot tools are right here. This thing is from Pottery Barn. Then my little rug is from Target. And then here is my shower. I just keep my shampoo, conditioner, shave cream, and body wash in there. And then this is my favorite robe. It is from Topshop. I love it. So yeah, that is it for my bathroom. Then coming back in here, here's an overview of the living room again, and also the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the University of Mississippi, or if you're thinking about attending school here, just let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I love you guys. Bye.